we just solved one problem, and then I asked you to let you know the answers for the final one. What is the answer for the final problem which we have done yesterday?
2.1.
1 second. What is that? 8 point?
8.292 plus J 2.201.
Okay. So in polar form, it is around 8.59 angle 13.8. Okay. Right. So now I'll continue with the problems, and then I'll go ahead with the circuit elements. Okay. Right. Express as phasor. Okay. The first one, V is equal to minus 7 cos 2t plus 40. How will you represent? Phasor means you won't consider the time. So bring this inside the negative sign. What it will be? Make it fast. Could you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So 7 cos of 2t plus 40 plus, what is the angle if I bring minus inside?
Plus 90.
Plus 180?
Yes, ma'am.
180.
180. 7 cos of 2t plus 220 degree. Okay, this is your V. And how will you express your phasor capital V? It is, what is the magnitude? What is the phasor that we have seen? It is, what is V? Vm e power j phi or Vm angle phi. So what is your Vm?
7.
So 7 angle, what is your angle?
220.
220 degree. Okay, this is 1. And number 2, cosine of 10t plus 10 degree. How will you represent this? First, convert the sine to cos. 4 cos 10t, then sine to cos.
Plus.
Plus
Plus 90.
minus 90.
Minus 90.
Minus 90.
So now it should be 4 cos 10t minus 80 degree. How will you represent the phasor? 4 angle
80 degree.
Minus
4 angle
Minus 80 degree.
Minus 8.
minus
Okay, now express as sinusoid. Okay, the first one is V is equal to minus 10 angle 30 degree. So first angle, how will you represent? Let it be minus itself. Minus 10 cos of, we don't know omega, so omega t plus 30 degree. Okay, cos of omega t plus 30 degree. Later bring the sign inside. Minus sign inside. 10 cos omega t
t plus 30 plus 180.
180 degree. So this will be equal to 10 cos omega t plus 210. Okay, this is first problem. The second one, I is equal to j 5 minus j12. Okay, first convert this into polar form. Tell me the answers.
Ma'am, that is J12.
Yeah, it is j12. So what is 5 minus j12? What is j actually? Plus j. First convert this plus j. Guys. 0, you enter into 0 comma 1 polar off and 5 comma minus 12. Tell me the answers quickly. If it is j plus j, it will be 1 angle 90. Okay, because multiplication has to be done in polar form. And then what is 5 minus j12? Any answers? Use your calculators. Without calculator, you cannot proceed.
Ma'am, 13
Ah.
and 22.62.
No, 67.38.
It is minus, no, angle?
Yes, ma'am, minus 67.38.
I'll write it as 67.4. Okay. So now if you multiply it is 13 angle. So when you multiply, you have this angle, sum it up 90 minus 67.4, it is 22.6. Am I right? So now 13 angle 22.6. So how will you write? Magnitude is 13 cos of omega t plus 22.6 degree. This is amperes, this is volt. Okay. And moreover, now it's you are expressing in time domain, so I'll be writing it as v of t, and this is nothing but I of t. Okay. And again, I'll take the third problem. J 8 e power minus j 20. What is j? Set it like this. J is 1 angle 90 degree. And how will you write this 8 e power minus j 20? It is 8 angle.
20.
You have a
Minus 20.
No, minus 20. So it is 8 angle 70. How will you write this? 8 cos of omega t plus 70 degree. If this is voltage, okay, capital V or V, this will be V of t. Okay. Next, V1 is equal to minus 10 sine of omega t plus 30 degree. And V2 is equal to 20 cos omega t minus 45 degree. Omega t minus 45 degree. Okay. Find V1 plus V2. Make it fast. You are going to solve and tell me the answer. Steps. In steps you tell. Guys, am I audible?
To convert sine into cos.
Would you able to get this? Third problem, would you able to get this? Problem number
Yes, ma'am.
8 e power minus 20. I don't know when I got muted. Have you noted V1 and V2?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. I'll go ahead with the next step. Tell me V1. First, convert the sine to cosine. V1 is nothing but minus 10 sine omega t plus 30 degree. How will you convert? Make it fast.
Plus 90 degree.
10 cos omega t plus 30 plus 90. So this will be again 10 cos omega t plus 120 degree. How will you represent your V1 phase, Reza? Reza, 10,
10 angle
10
120.
angle 120 degree.
120 degree. And coming to your V2. What is your V2? It is directly given. No, V2 is equal to 20 cos of omega t minus 45 degree. How will you write your V2?
20 angle of
20
minus
angle
45.
minus 45 degree.
Angle minus 45 degree. Now, this given V1 plus V2. Addition has to be done in rectangular form. So now both of them are in polar form. Convert this into rectangular form. What is 10 angle 120? Use your calculators. Tell me the answers. Guys, any answers? What is 10 angle 120? Everybody is having your calculators with you. Yes, have you got your calculators, everyone?
Ma'am, minus 5 and 8.66 J.
Minus 5 plus J 8.66. What is 20 angle minus 45? Next one. Just solve and tell me.
And 14.14
14.142
14.14.
minus
minus
14.14.
yes ma'am.
Okay, angle is 45 now. 14.14. Okay. So if your angle is 45, mostly your A and B will be same. Okay. And dependent upon if it is angle is minus, you'll be getting minus. Okay. I think root 20 is 14.44. Huh? Okay. So add your V1 and V2. V1 plus V2. V1 and plus V2.
And 9.14 minus 5.48.
Please hold, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry. Tell me, guys.
Ma'am, 9.14.
Yeah. 9 point.
14 minus 5.48.
And it's equal in polar form.
And 10.6 angle minus 30.94.
So now this has to be returned back in time domain again, because this is v1 of t and this is v2 of t. So now I have to write, let me take some other color, I'll write it here. V of t, let it be v1 plus v2 is equal to v of t. V of t is equal to, in phasor domain, how will you express 10.65 cos of omega t?
Omega t minus
Minus
30.95.
30.9.
30.95. This is the final answer. Yeah. So now we will now consider the circuit elements now. Okay, we just know how to transform a phasor and then how to do rectangular and polar conversions. Now we will deal with circuit elements. So you have a resistor. Your supply voltage is V. The current is I. This is I of t. I can write it as V of t, whatever, in time domain. Okay. Because the voltage across this, again your applied voltage is V of t. In equivalent phasor domain, it should be capital V. This is R again. This is capital I. Right. And but we know what is V. V is equal to IR, or V of t is equal to I of t into R in time domain. Whereas in phasor domain, again capital V should be equal to capital I into R. This is your first circuit element. Is it okay? Shall we go ahead with the next one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the screen is lagging.
Yes, ma'am. It's lagging.
It's lagging. Every week it is a problem now. Shri Amma phone ide. Thanks. Now is it okay? Could you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the first circuit element, where the first circuit element is the resistor, is the resistor, and then we are going to see the second circuit element, which is nothing but your L. Okay. So now again, when an voltage is applied across an L in time domain, V of t, this is I of t, and this is your L. Okay. So how will you write this in terms of V is equal V of V voltage across this inductor VL of t. This is VL of t. Let me write VL of t is nothing but V of t. Am I right? Both are parallel. VL of t is equal to V of t. Yes, which is equal to L into di by dt. This you know, di of t by dt. Am I right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
So we will write I of t as Im cos of omega t plus 5. That is equal to your I of t. Substitute in that V of t. Okay. So V of t will be equal to L into, differentiate this I of t. So L Im, what is cos omega t plus 5? It is minus sine of
minus sin
omega t plus 5
plus 5
into
omega.
Omega.
Okay. So now this will be equal to minus L omega Im sine of omega t plus 5. And what I said, sine form, again convert back to cosine form. How to convert this omega into cosine form? Sine
First
omega t
take the
plus
minus sin
minus L omega Im cos of omega t plus 5
plus 5 plus 90 degree.
plus 90 degree. That is including your you are bringing your minus inside, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is equal to L omega Im.
First,
How will you write this in phase? I'm sorry. Im angle. How will you write this in angle? Im angle.
5 plus 90.
5 plus 90.
And again, this can be in exponential form. Will you tell me how will you write this in exponential form? L omega Im e power j 5 plus 90 degree. Am I right?
What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
L omega Im. I'll be writing e power j5, e power j90.
Yes.
Okay. What is e power j90? Have we seen yesterday?
What, ma'am?
J,
What?
ma'am.
E power j90. So it is j L omega Im e power j5. What is e power j5? Im e power j5 can be written as Im angle. Im angle
5.
5.
j L omega Im angle 5. Am I right? And again, this Im angle 5 can be written as capital I in phasor. Am I right? Huh? This is still now it is V of t.
Yes.
So in phasor form, V can be written as j L omega I.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your screen is lagging again.
Actually, I'm having my maximum internet speed. I don't know why. I'm in my Airtel network only. Okay, is it clear till now? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I'm drawing the phasor diagram, so now what is that given? Your V of t is equal to I angle 5. Im angle 5. Okay, which is leading, which is lagging? Either your V will be leading or I will be leading in your L. Here, from the expressions, what do you understand? What do you understand?
I is leading.
I will be leading, huh? So your real part, you have an imaginary part. I is at an angle of 5. Okay. I is at an angle of 5. V and I is exactly 90 degrees. Because you have this J. We forgot about this 90. Eh? Look at here. V of t is equal to angle is 5 plus 90 degree. You're getting me? What am I telling, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So now this is your I. I is at an angle of phi. That is what I have written. This is Im cos omega t plus phi. But whereas V of t is nothing but j and angle phi. So I is at an angle of phi. Now this is your V. Phi plus 90 degree. Okay. This is for your L. Whereas for your R, again you have an R and real part and imaginary part. Whereas for your V of t is equal to I of t into R, V is equal to I into R. Both are in phase. So now at an angle phi, general angle phi, so V and I are equal. This is your imaginary part. Okay. Then the third circuit element. What is the third circuit element? Your capacitor.
Capacitor.
I'm sorry, I have my little one at home. He will make noise then and there. So V of t, I of t, and C. Okay. So now we know that in differential form, we know I of t is equal to C into dV of t by dt. Let us take differential form, that will be more easy. And V of t, we know V of t is equal to Vm cos of omega t plus phi. Let us take like that. Okay. Again, you need to proceed in the same way as like this. You're getting me?
Yes, sir.
So again, this is C into differentiation CVM omega minus sine of omega t plus pi. This is I of t. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
it will be in
We have to
again this,
change it to
which
cos.
you have done already. Sine to cos you need to convert. So it is omega CVM cos of omega t plus phi. I am directly writing because you already know the
Yes.
steps. And finally, if you write, what is this? Omega C Vm e power j90 e power j, sorry, e power 5 j5. Okay, e power 5. And then so it is j omega c Vm angle 5. Yeah. Guys, give me 1 minute time. Give me 1 minute time. Hello. So this will be equal to I of t. So when I write it in phasor form, it will be I equal to j omega c capital V. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
from this way, so what is your V by I? It is 1 divided by j omega c, which is equal to xc. Similarly, V by I of your L will be equal to j omega L, which is equal to xl. So when I am drawing the phasor diagram of your C, this is your real part, this is your imaginary part. Now which is leading, which is lagging here? Your current will lead. Am I right?
Yes.
Current is J and plus phi. So now this is your V at an angle phi. So by 90 degree, I have my I. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we solve one problem? So again, I'll go ahead with the problem. In the same way, in the AC circuit also, as like your DC circuits, you have to go ahead with nodal analysis, mesh analysis, like that you can solve your problem. But only thing is you will be having your J component and omega component, that will be troublesome. The concept is same. You should not get scared by seeing your C and L. Okay. And before that, I need to tell one thing. So now we have seen the individual circuit elements. We have seen the individual circuit elements. Now in AC circuit, you will be having your R, L, C, and L and C are frequency dependent. So definitely you will be having your L and C in your AC along with your R. So the resistance or the opposition offered to the flow of current in DC circuits is said to be resistance. Am I right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposition to the flow of current in DC circuits is said to be the resistance. Whereas in AC circuits, you will be having your L and C along with your, namely L and C, it is nothing but XC plus XL. Am I right? So the opposition offered to the flow of current in AC circuits is said to be impedance.
Impedance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And whereas your impedance Z is equal to R plus or minus JX. Okay. Plus or minus Jx. When it is plus X, meaning lagging. Mostly it will be inductive in nature. The circuit is inductive in nature. And if it is minus X, meaning you have a leading value, the circuit will be capacitive in nature. Your current will be lagging, leading. In term, we will be telling it as lagging and leading. Okay, Z plus or minus Jx, where R is the resistance that you all know, that is in ohms, where X is said to be the reactance, and it is also in ohms. Z is said to be the impedance, it is also in ohms. Okay.
Yes.
I forgot what is that 1 by Z. Please wait. Yeah. So inversion of 1 by Z, 1 by z is said to be y, which is nothing but admittance. Okay, it is nothing but admittance, where y is equal to inverse of r. 1 by r is conductance G, plus or minus J. 1 by x is said to be susceptance. All the unit are in either we'll be telling it as mho or Siemens. Is it okay? Shall we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The screen is lagging. Determine the voltage across
Ma'am, that is 0.2.
Henry. Determine the voltage across the inductor. Now see, forget about this. You have a circuit element. This is a series circuit. Am I right? Huh? This is a series circuit. So same current will flow. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same current will flow. Given as Vs of t. Vs of t is 5 sin omega t. What is the first step? Convert the entire circuit from time domain to phasor domain. This is the first step you need to do. Okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so now what is your 5 sin omega t? How will you represent 5 sin omega t? Guys?
First, we'll convert
5
it to
cos.
Well,
cos.
5 cos 10t plus 90.
Then, what is the next step?
Minus 90.
Minus
20
90.
minus 90.
Oh yeah, minus 90. Sorry.
Minus
Minus 90.
Is it minus 90 or plus 90?
Ma'am, it is sine, so there is no minus at the. So it will
Yeah,
be
minus 90.
It will be plus only, no? Okay. So 5 angle. Guys?
Ma'am, it
Yeah.
will be minus 90.
Minus. Yeah. Minus. 5
5
angle.
and 90.
90.
5 angle minus 90.
I have written wrongly, right? Angle minus 90 degree. So I will write this as 5 angle minus 90 degree. Okay, this is 4 only because there is a resistance. You don't have any frequency component. Guys, please wait. I'll just. Hello. This Friday class, I'll have too many interruptions at home. Okay, 5 angle 90. What is your L? L is given to be 0.1 Henry. This also should be converted. What is your L? What is your, how will you convert L? Guys? Am I audible?
Ma'am, we'll write J
We have
omega
to
L.
write it in Excel. Yeah, Excel. We
J
can
omega.
convert this into frequency component. So
Yes.
Excel is equal to
J omega.
Excel is equal to J omega L. So what is your omega, by the way?
10 10.
10.
10.
J 10 into 0.2. What is that?
2J.
J.
2J.
2J.
or J2. So now this has to be now J2. Am I right?
Yes.
Now same current is flowing through the circuit. Now we are doing it with phasor form. If this is I of t, this is Vs of t, and this will be capital I. Am I right? Because this is V now. Vs now. I'm sorry. Shall I go to the next step?
Yes.
Yeah. So now it's a series circuit. Am I right? What you will do with this, when you have series element, what you will be doing with the resistances if you have?
We'll add.
We'll add the resistance.
Similarly, here you have series elements, you need to add. What is this now? It is not resistance, now it is impedance.
Impedance.
So it is 4.
4 plus 2J.
2J. Plus 2J.
So now your circuit can be written as, I have my Vs. I'll just write down now only Vs, okay? Vs. I have only my impedance. Am I right?
Yes.
Either I can do in this way. I have this Z. Okay. Otherwise, I'll come back again to the back slide. I know this is, use your voltage division rule. Am I right? This is a series element. What is the question given? You need to find the voltage across your
Inductor.
inductor. See, either you can find this I, okay, this capital I is nothing but, now you find the answer. I'll just tell the steps. Okay, I is nothing but Vs by Z. So you know your I. For this is the
Yes.
series circuit. Is it okay? After finding I, how will you find V, voltage across this element? You know your I. You know your impedance also, J2. How will you
Ma'am,
find your I?
I into XL.
Yes, ma'am. I.
So your VL is nothing but, it is nothing but I into
XL.
XL, that we can do. Otherwise, directly, if I'm not interested in going in finding like this, I can directly go ahead with the voltage division rule. What is voltage division rule? The total voltage of the circuit into this particular resistance. Instead of resistance, this is impedance now, divided by sum of the resistances. Sum of the impedances or resistances, whatever you can say, you can say. So if I need to find VL, I can go ahead with, what is the total voltage? Vs. Across which element I need to find?
XL.
XL. Divided by, what is the sum of the resistance?
Z.
R plus XL.
R plus XL.
JXL.
R plus J.
Okay. R plus J omega L or XL.
Yes.
Is it okay? In this way, you can find this. This will be in phasor domain. Finally, you express VL in time domain. Will you do it?
Yes.
Please do it in step. By the meantime, I'll take the attendance. Make it fast and tell me the answers. Now here you need to use all your polar rectangular conversions and all.
Yes.
Okay. Division has to be done in polar form. That thing and all you need to follow. That is why we have taken initial classes for converting all that, the basic thing. Let me stop the recording.